In this video, you'll learn how to add another account on the OKX wallet app. By following these steps, you will be able to create a new wallet account seamlessly within the application. Begin by opening the OKX wallet app on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help prevent any interruptions during the process. Once the app is launched, you will be directed to the main interface. Next, locate and tap on the option labeled Wallets or Web3 Wallet. This section is typically found in the bottom navigation bar or within the main menu. Tapping this will take you to the wallet overview screen, where you can manage your existing wallets and add new ones. After that, look for the button labeled Plus Add Wallet and tap on it. This action will prompt the app to present you with options for adding a new wallet account. You will see choices such as creating a new wallet or importing an existing one. Choose the option Create New Wallet to start the process of setting up a fresh wallet account. This selection will lead you to a screen where you can configure your new wallet. It is crucial to remember that each wallet will have its own unique password for security purposes. Once you reach the password setup screen, enter a strong password that you will remember. This password will be required for accessing your new wallet in the future. After entering your password, confirm it as prompted, and then proceed to tap Done or the equivalent action to complete the setup. Once this step is completed, the new wallet account will be successfully added to your OKX wallet app. You can now manage multiple wallets within the app, allowing for greater flexibility in managing your assets.